The Mariana Trench Mystery. Unidentified sounds detected from the deepest place on Earth. In the heart of the Pacific Ocean lies the Mariana Trench, the deepest known part of the world's oceans. In 2016, scientists embarked on an expedition to explore its mysterious depths, equipped with advanced hydrophones to capture the sounds of the abyss. During this mission, they encountered an unexpected challenge, a series of unidentified sounds echoing from the trench's depths, unlike anything recorded before. Faced with this enigma, the team meticulously analyzed the recordings, comparing them with known marine sounds. They ruled out possibilities like whale calls or geological activity, leaving them puzzled. The scientists hypothesized that these sounds could be from an unknown marine species or a natural phenomenon yet to be discovered. The result of their investigation sparked global intrigue, as the scientific community and the public alike were captivated by the potential of undiscovered life forms or geological mysteries lurking in the trench. This discovery underscored the vast unknowns of our oceans, fueling further exploration and research into the planet's final frontiers.